Hindi mo naman birthday pero nakikisali ka sa may birthday, oh. Hindi pa na naka-record. One more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! One more, one. Aiden. Aiden, kiss Maymay.
Kiss Maymay.
Hug na lang, hug. Okay, hug. Okay, everyone say cheese, ha? 1, 2, 3, say cheese. Cheese. Look at here, one more. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Cheese na tayo look at here.
Cheese.
Kulit nyo.
Go. Oo, kulit. Okay, ayun nyo na yan.
Okay. Pause na muna. Kaya this not ice cream.
Wow. Okay, give naman Ayana. Aliyo.
Ako na.
Get up this.
Okay, eat na your cake.
Happy birthday, Rihanna. Oh, dali ah. Happy birthday, Rihanna.
Wow! Yay!
Oh! Oh, dali ah.
Hair na siya, guys, because her birthday, nag-short hair na siya. Show your short hair, girl. Girl, show your short hair first.
Don't worry, Reggie.
Oh.
Don't worry.
So guys, ayan, dahil birthday ni Ayana, bibili natin siya ng toys. Ito, hindi mo naman birthday, boy. Nasaan ka? Hindi mo naman birthday, ha? Ba't nagpapabili ka? Uy, hindi mo naman birthday. You talk to daddy. Dude, ang pretty naman. Si mami nagupit niyan, ha? Pretty girl, oh. Oh, si Gugu will buy for your birthday gift. Ito. How old are you ba? 8. Pinakakailangan na. Dalawa. 3 more. Can you get this? 2 more. 2 more. Okay. Okay, let's go. How many? 1. Okay, yung 5 ha. Promise ha. 5 ha. O, ito siya birthday gift ha. Ito na. Girl, what are you going to say?
Thank you, Daddy, Mommy.
And Gugu. Tita. Oh, di ba birthday mo eh. Oh. Yan, sinaset up na yung... Ito, sinaset up na guys.
I want to like it. This one.
Oh, so many sheep. Oh, you like it? Oh, we will get Jeje balloon, ha? Ah, peekaboo.
That's already.
Okay. Let them settle first.
Can you give me my own toes?
Wow.
Help me get the other one.
Wait lang po. Wait lang. Seven. Bili ng pam-pam.
No pump eh.
Ayaw gumaan na bigla. Okay. Nice. Wow. Not outside, okay? Mga kids, guys. Yes! Happy birthday! 8 years old na si Ayana! Happy birthday! Wow! Dali, change clothes na, ha? Oh. Wow! Hi! Aiden, say happy birthday! Oh, girl! Cheese! Happy birthday, ate! Ayan. Ganito lang, guys. Makaraos ang birthday. Tuwan-tuwa na yung mga kids. Oh, diba? Yan lang sila, guys. Yan, Abi. Ano ba yan? 1,000. Si Aliyah, kumakaw si Aliyah.
Yeah. 1,000.
Ano, girl? Ginaginaw ko na? Call?
Flying kiss pose.
Flying kiss muna, dali. Carve, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, let's see, boy. Ito si Cyrus, guwapo, oh. Cyrus! Hi, Cyrus! Oh, ayan na, oh. Puro boys. All boys. Girl para to, girl. Pag-aano ka pa, di? One more.
Let's go.
More ano?
Oh, let's go.
More baby.
Let's go.
Hey mama, happy birthday! O red lipstick ka pa, di ka talaga papakabog. Order ako sa'yo ha.
Ang naka-red lips.
Swimming ka naman, ha?
May premyo daw ang naka-red lips, sabi ni IG.
Ganda ni mama, oh. Ganda nga ka, oh. Sabi, Aliyah! Sabi, Yaman pa siya, yaman pa siya. Kaya niya yun. Kasi siya, Aliyah. Sulit kay Aliyah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! O, si Carmen naman. 1, 2, 3, go! Sulit na sulit sa inyo, ha? Ito naman, oh. Sabi nila, boys there, girls here, okay? So, giniginaw na tong isa na to. Ginaw ka na? Ginaw na. Ano gusto mo ba? Ano gusto mong eat? Jollibee. Akala siya. Ayun ay Jollibee. Ayun ay Jollibee, oh. Nagpag-grab lang kami, guys, kasi mga kids lang naman ang nandito. And palabok. Ay, Dan, you want to eat na? Bye! Oh, kamukha ni Aijun, mama. Kamukha ano? Kasi you look like Aijun.
I'm a beauty!
Ay, gusto mo na ng Jollibee? Okay. Oh, sabihin mo please muna. Okay. Ay, yummy! Kumain sila guys ng palabok. Very good naman si Mami. Very good naman si Mami Martha. Buntis pa ngayon. Slowly lang, be. Slowly. All yours. So many, oh. Slowly. Ayan guys, oh. Ginabi na sila. Ginabi na kayo kakalaro. Ayan guys. Ay, sulit na sulit sa mga bata, ha. Sulit na sulit sa kanila, guys. Doon, may nag-iihaw. Nag-iihaw sila ate. Sulit, ha. Sulit na sulit sa inyo, guys, ha. Guys, nandito pa rin kami. Update. So, nakaraos ang birthday ni Ayana, B. Nakaraos. Ayana birthday, ha. Already, okay. So, madami kaming anak, guys, eh. Kaya parang halos monthly yata may nagbo-birthday sa amin. 7 tayo, eh.